Hello, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to display your business profile image whenever you send an email to Gmail. Adding a profile photo is one of the easiest ways to make your emails look professional and recognizable. The best part? The whole process takes just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and log into your Gmail account. Make sure you're signed in with the account you want to update, since this is the one your clients and contacts will see when you send messages. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of your Gmail interface and click on your profile icon. When you click it, a small menu will appear. From here, select Manage Your Google Account. This option will take you to a new page where you can control different parts of your Google account. Next, look for the section labeled Personal Info and click on it. This page stores your key account details, including your name, email, phone number, and most importantly, for today's tutorial, your profile photo. Now, find the photo option and click on it. This is where you'll be able to either set a new image or update the one you already have. When you select Add Profile Picture, you'll be prompted to choose an image from your computer or device. Pick a photo that best represents your business. For example, you can use your company logo or a professional headshot. Remember, this image will appear every time you send an email, so it should give the right impression of your brand identity. Once you've chosen the picture, you'll be given the option to crop and adjust it. Take a moment to make sure the focus is clear, the framing looks good, and any unnecessary background is minimized. After adjusting, click Next, and then save the changes by selecting Set as Profile Picture. That's it. You're done. From now on, whenever you send an email through Gmail, your business profile image will appear alongside your messages. This not only makes your emails more recognizable, but also adds a professional and trustworthy touch to your communication. I hope this guide helps you set up your Gmail profile quickly and effectively. A small detail like this goes a long way in creating a strong brand impression. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this one.